Get the outstanding video performance of the HERO11 Black in a more compact, lightweight, and functional design. The HERO11 Black Mini's small size makes it more comfortable to wear while filming from an immersive point of view, and its innovative twin mounting fingers increase your options for fastening it to your body and helmet. It's designed to record any activity and is even more durable and waterproof than before. Simply press the shutter button to power up and start recording with your preferred best settings. All you need to do after recording is charge your camera and relax. An incredible highlight video will be created from your footage, automatically uploaded to the cloud, and emailed to your phone. It's ready to share. You can receive 5.3K video with excellent image quality and award-winning hyper-smooth 5.0 video stabilization thanks to HERO11's upgraded image sensor.